Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the next vlog number two. Another Sunday, another breakfast ride, and that's what we are doing right now. Yes, so this time it's a little special. इस बार हम कुछ नया करने वाले हैं. हम क्या मतलब मैं कुछ नया करने वाला हूँ. Finally, I have set up the camera on my helmet, and with the help of a certain someone, well, thanks to that certain someone, I got a mic as well from DJI, and it's all been set up now. So hopefully my vlogs will sound and look more professional and more fun. And yeah, in a couple of minutes I'll be just gearing up, and then I'll show you my setup. The setup looks kind of messy, but it works right now, and I'm hoping I'm going to get some good shots. Another new thing is bar. I'm actually leaving. I have to leave early in the morning. So I am leaving my beautiful boy behind, and I would want you to meet him as well because he's a little sad. I'll be catching up with him 11-12 बजे वापस आके घर पे, and then we'll see how it goes because he's going to be alone at home for that time. So yeah, let me introduce to my beautiful boy. Here he is. Archie, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. This is Archie, everyone. This is the boy I was talking about. He is currently lying down on my riding jacket and on the rest of my clothes, licking them for some reason. And yeah, so we'll be coming back to him at around 11 and 12, and he'll be staying by himself until then. Well, for the rest of the talks, I'll see you on the bike. No, wait. Before I see you on the bike, I'll be showing you my setup, and then on the bike, hopefully. Bye bye.
15 minutes later.
Hey yo. So all geared up. Let me show you my setup quickly. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. This is my helmet. This is the DJI mounted right on the front. अभी मैं I'm using this strap. This is fastening one. इसको चिपकाना नहीं पड़ता है because I was recommended by someone के the adhesive जो चिपकाने वाले की adhesive वो बार बार निकल जाती है. So I'm just trying this out for now. My Action Pro is mounted आगे की तरफ, and I'm yet to set the angles. I'll sit on the bike and see the angles. To set up the mic, I have set it up inside somewhere. I don't know if you're able to see it. Yeah, that's where it is. That's the magnetic thing that comes with it to set it up wherever you want. It's all set up, and well, I didn't have time कि मैं इसको test out करूँ. So I'll be testing it out right before this vlog, and hopefully it sounds good. So 3 cheers if it sounds like a podcast, 19 cheers if it doesn't and you are only hearing the wind blast. So I'm hoping it works out so that I'm able to talk when I'm on the bike. आपके साथ और स्टोरीज मैं शेयर करूं जब मैं बाइक पर हूं, एंड इट विल बी पॉसिबल जब ये माइक और कैमरा दोनों अच्छे से चलेंगे. So counting on that, and now I'll see you on the bike.
Welcome guys. So we're starting out now. Just putting on my gloves. Let me give my bike a cold start. I hope the setup is working. The mic is doing good. I don't know how it's going to be, but just hoping for the best, and let's see how it all goes. Just putting on my gloves. इसको गर्म होने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, तो तब तक हम वेट करते हैं और तब तक अपने ग्लव्स पहन लेते हैं. लोकेशन हमने ऑलरेडी अपने फ़ोन पे सेट कर दिया है, और हमेशा की तरह, पूरी लाइफ की तरह, हम आज भी थोड़ा सा लेट है. अभी मैं बेसमेंट में हूँ, तो हो सकता है लाइट थोड़ी सी कम आ रही होगी, बट ये क्यों चेंज नहीं हो रहा. इसको हम तब तक थोड़ा सेट कर लेते हैं. अब ठीक है भाई. मैसिव रिस्पेक्ट भाई जो ये सब करता है. देयर सो मच टू डू, एंड देन राइडिंग व्हाइल वियरिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस. अभी तो बहुत ठंडी है, सो इट्स स्टिल सो मच बेटर. ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज अ होल टास्क ऑल टुगेदर. Okay, ग्रेट न्यूज़, आई फॉरगॉट टू बकल अप माई हेलमेट। और अभी मैं चलाता तो ये रास्ते में फट 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 करता। होपफुली मेरी आवाज़ फटफट नहीं कर रही है। सो वेटिंग ऑन दैट। Yeah, let me just do that quickly and then once I start riding then I'll see you, yeah. So we are on the road. I don't know how's the view. I hope it's good. हमेशा की तरह like I mentioned, I'm super late. 6:30 बजे का जो फ्लैग ऑफ टाइम और 6:30 बजे का सेटअप टाइम और 7 बजे का फ्लैग ऑफ टाइम के हिसाब से हम 36 मिनट लेट है। 6:30 बजे पहुंचना था, 7 बजे निकलना था, हम पहुंचेंगे 7-6 बजे अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैप। बट पता नहीं डिस्टेंस कवर हो पाएगा या नहीं, और आवाज़ कैसी आ रही है या नहीं वो नहीं पता मुझे। होपफुली अच्छी आ रही होगी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत तेज़ हवा सुनाई दे रही है। होपफुली रिकॉर्डिंग में हवा इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं आएगी। लाइक आई सेड, टेस्ट रन, हवा आएगी तो म्यूज़िक डाल देंगे, नहीं तो आप व्यू तो एंजॉय कर ही रहे हो और क्या। लेकिन यार इट्स स्टिल लाइक अर्ली दिसंबर है एंड स्टिल ऑलरेडी थिंग्स आर well, it's very cold obviously, but it's almost 6:30, it's almost 7, yeah, so 6:35 to be precise, और still very dark outside। भाई हम amateur vloggers का क्या होगा, हमें तो लाइट एडजस्ट करना भी नहीं आता, सीखना पड़ेगा सब कुछ। So yes, so yeah, let me tell you about what is the plan for today. This is the group that I rode with for the first time. मैं पहली बार जब ग्रुप राइड पे गया था तो इन्हीं के साथ गया था। I just went with a pair of gloves and a helmet and I got to experience it for the first time. Very fun time. A lot of bikers on that day and got to learn a lot कि कैसे ग्रुप में बाइक चलाते हैं और like what's it about. As they say, like there's a culture to it and everything. So I got to experience that firsthand. This was back in October, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that was my first big group ride. We rode to I don't know. I think we went to Moorsal or somewhere, yeah. But a lot of bikers were there, and the way you ride and the way the convoy works, all of that, super fun experience, super fun times. Kyunki it was like I was doing it for the first time, first time ever to be precise. And then मैंने बाइक भी 15-20 दिन पहले खरीदा, so I was anyway excited to ride my bike. That was the first time I rode like a distance which was like 36-40 kilometers from the flag off location, and I rode to the flag off location by myself first, which was another like 30 kilometers. So all in all, the experience was like super fun. And one thing which always I have ridden with another group after that, again amazing people, amazing times, but then again I found my vibe with these people जिनके साथ मैं आज राइड कर रहा हूँ. It's just a fun time. It's more about like कि हाँ भाई ये भाई हैं, भाइयों के साथ हम बाइक चला रहे हैं, and it's just fun in general with them. So I think that part stood out for me with them. And yeah, so that's what we are doing. So we are starting off from Dholakua and we are going to this property called Antella by Zion in Sonipat. Bhai, I just saw Ducati, that's where it is. You know what, I saw it yesterday also. I was driving my car and then fueling up and everything. Looks absolutely fucking beautiful. I don't think I can be able to say this, but it looks so bloody gorgeous. I think it's going the same way where I am going. It's a V4 naked type, I don't know what it's called. It looks absolutely beautiful because it's a bloody Ducati, and then it's like that in like charmy red, the signature Ducati color. So overwhelming to it's just that जब हम सेंटर आउट पे जाते हो, you get to see these kind of motorcycles and then you're like, yeah, that is where the fun and the the beauty lies. I realized one thing when I bought, got this bike in the start. The R15 वाला बंदा था, तो he was like, I really like it, but at this moment I don't have the money to actually buy it. And then I was like, yeah, dude, I realized it. I was at your place once. And then eventually you get there. You work hard and then a lot of luck as well also. So, and then you get there. And then I see motorcycles like Ducati and then S1K, ZX10. And I want that. Like, at the end of the day, the human, well, the greed is endless. So, I mean, आप कितना भी कुछ भी कर लो, there will always be something, you know, as they say, there will always be a bigger sheep. Is that what they say? I don't know. There will always be a bigger dog. Yeah, I think that's correct. Somebody wrote this, that no matter where you are, there will always be a bigger dog in the pool, in the game, and then I think that's how it works with the human greed as well. कि आप कुछ भी ले लो, literally कुछ भी ले लो, and then you'll see someone else with something fancier than you or something that you would always wanted. And then you probably can afford it as well, but then it never ends. It's there's no end to it. It's probably like a cycle that, you know, goes on forever for some reason. And there's two ways to look at it also. I'll tell you how. Okay, either you look at it from a point of view where it's you know, motivating you. It's motivating you to do more for yourself and then, you know, achieve more for yourself, and then you know, continue to strive and work harder and harder and, you know, get the best outcome. And then the other way to look at it is like you either get demotivated, no matter how hard I am working, I am not able to achieve that certain something. So I think at the end of the day, it's a matter of perspective with what you do and how you do it. So yeah, just something that popped into my head and I thought I'll share. I don't know if it makes sense. I'm super sleepy. I just slept 3 hours before this ride, which is like every bloody Sunday. But I'm so bloody grateful for all of this, man. So bloody grateful. I just really hope कि माइक ने सब कुछ अच्छे से रिकॉर्ड किया, प्लीज। पर कितना सही चीज़ है ना, नहीं, सुबह सुबह सारे बाइक को गियर अप होके अपने बाइक्स को सेटअप करके निकल जाते हैं भाई, कहीं जाएंगे, पराठे खाएंगे, भटूरे खाएंगे। it's so cute, and then also obviously about the culture, and but sounds so cute, right? Oh no, it's a Sunday every week. I have to gear up. I have to you know, beautify myself by gearing up. Get new shoes, get new jacket, get new pants, get new gloves, get new helmet, and then prepare myself for a Sunday ride where I just ride with my brothers and then, you know, have some really high cholesterol food, because you know, you only live once. I'm almost there, just a couple more minutes. Done. 2 minutes. Okay.